Here I just want to show you I have taken one trade and I want to explain the logic behind this. If you see here, we have a clear downtrend, then we have a breakout structure here. You can see here breakout structure. So for 1 hour time frame, it was a breakout structure. Then again, it took a fall from this moving average, this order block, 1 hour order block. But if you see after a breakout structure, it, there is a probability that it will go high. So I have marked a, you can see here, fair value gap of 15 minutes, and I move to 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame, you can see here, this is one more order block created here with some fair value gap, and there was a breakout structure here. You can see, and further I went to 1 minute time frame to see if we can take a trade. So from this 1 minute, 5 minute fair value gap, it was taking the rejection. So I just jump into the trade and also see here one small breakout structure here. So I just took the trade from here, and if you see, there is one trending line coming here for 1 hour time frame. So below that I have put the stop loss, and if you see here for long side entry, we can see if I have entered into this place. Suppose I entered here, so there is a stop loss of 150 points, almost 150 points, and we will go for 1:2. Okay, so in front of you, I will take a trade. Look here, we can just select paper trading, and we can take a trade. We had $5,000 yesterday, and I took some trades. So suppose we are entering here with $1, one BTC Bitcoin, and with the stop loss of 2 from here. So let's see, we will put the official stop loss and take profit as well. At the same time, I have taken a trade in my personal actual account with small amount. Here it's a very big delta, sorry, very high margin I have used, and this is my stop loss here. And from here also, if we want to take a 1:3 trade, then we have to put a stop loss as well, 1:2, sorry. So I will add a stop loss here, 58,022, 58,022. So stay tuned, guys. I will update you once it hits the trade or it's out of the trade. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back. So as you can see here, we had taken one trade on 1 minute time frame here. So we had stop loss here. Unfortunately, it didn't go well. So we came out of this trade and we have a loss of uh, we can see here we have loss of $23 here, I guess. No, $23 was the fees. $125 we had a loss. Okay, that's okay, guys. We have to stick to our plan, and we came out of the trade. That's okay. Instead of having loss of this much amount, we took small loss and came out of the trade. That's okay. It's a part of the game. You all may be knowing it's a game of probabilities, we can say. Okay, so we should not have any hard feelings once we come out of the trade. We should leave this trade here itself. All the trades are unique. They have their all uniqueness. So that's okay. Just leave it. We have to think for another trade, if any. So again, if we go back to 1 hour time frame, every time I will be showing you like this how we will be taking the trade. So here, if you see, you can see it. It is still on a 1 hour time frame. We still in a downtrend. It has made some structure here and made the break of structure, but as you know, market is continuously going up and down. That's the way market moves. So if you see here, we had this movement. I don't know why it's not working. I think I have to keep it dragging. Okay, A, B, C. Again, it has come here. I think it going to move up from here, from this ABC movement. You may be knowing ABC. We have to A, we have B, C, and now we have a D. We have a very nice chance to enter here. This is my understanding. So let's delete all extra things we had made. So I believe this is the place where we can enter. If you go to 1 minute time frame, before that we will go to 15-minute time frame. So step by step. In 15 minutes time frame, you see it has taken a support here. I don't know why, but it should have come here. That's what my expectation. But I think it has taken the support from this. I think this was the intermediate order block. It has taken the support from here. Okay, not sure, but let's see. I deleted the drawings, right? No. Okay, let it be. So, guys, I have already entered into this at this place. If we take this as a fair value gap, here you can see, right? This fair value gap. I think it came to take the fair value gap and it's going up. This is my understanding. So if you take trade in this direction, so at 5 minute time frame, you if it comes back here, you can enter. Here is a one fair value gap. This is a very small fair value gap, but at 5 minutes time frame, this is the fair value gap. Here you can see it will come and go up from here. So that will the place where we can take the trade and go high. So let's see. We will wait for some time and we'll take the trade here. Stop loss will be below this low. So if we made already some marking, so stop loss will be almost of 300 points and target should be 1 as to 2. Okay guys, don't take the so much big stop loss. I think 150 point stop loss is enough, and 1 as to 3 trade we can take up to this one. Exactly 1 as to 3 is this one. So it will be a 400 points. So let's see. Let this candle come here. We can further go at 1 minute time frame. If we have plan where to enter, so you can do this. This is called as a sniper entry, whatever. So let's see. So we have this one. We will just move it to the exact position. So guys, please like and subscribe the channel if you like the method I'm explaining. I'm not going too much in basics because I consider you have some level of understanding about the trading. If you don't have this level of understanding, so don't come and trade in crypto. It's not the easy thing. You will only lose the money. I'm not discouraging you, but first you have to prepare. You have to study. You have to see some videos. You have to read some books. So there are some lot of learning material available on website. So you can just go and see that. Okay. So you might have some capital already, but if you try on your capital directly, you will lose that capital. And when you will learn everything, you will be in position to actually take the trade. By that time, you will be losing all your capital. So I suggest you not to trade with real money. First, study, get all basics done. Then you can come and make the like register on TradingView for free account. You can trade in paper trading. It's a very good platform. It's almost like real. And let's see. So the plan is now once it comes here, once it touches this position and it makes a green candle up to this position, we will enter into the trade. But seems it has taken the slight turn from here. There may be because there is some small fair value gap here. But I believe it should come here and then it will be a good entry. We cannot just enter here as it is moving, right? You can see if you would have entered here, it will be a very big stop loss. If you try to minimize the stop loss or you try to enter at exact position, so your losses will be less and you will be able to compensate it at more trades. Okay. So this was the one of the trade I have taken in my actual trading account with some amount. So here I think it is taking the rejection from 100 moving average, 100 simple moving average. But as it is spending more and more time here, I believe it will go up. So guys, you can see here, if it is not spending much time at moving average, it is most probably it will go down. But if it is spending more and more time like this, it will cross and go up. You can see here, if it is spending some time, it will cross. If it is to come down and go back quickly, it should have just touched and come down. It's spending some more time, so I hope it will go up. So let's see, guys. But you can see here, after spending a lot of time, it's trying to go up. So I expect it's going up from here, and we can take a risk here. Otherwise, it will go out of our range, and we cannot buy it later on. So let's enter into one BTC trade. So we will just change our 1:2 ratio. So this will be our 1:2 target. Stop loss below this fair value gap. So it will be $220 stop loss, as it is a very big value. One BTC trade we have taken, and if it is a profit, it will be 449 of dollars of profit. So let's see, guys, how it moves. So in my personal trade, it's around $6 of profit running. So here I have already put the stop loss here. But if it moves in my direction, I will just trail the stop loss, and I think this is the old stop loss. This is not for this one. There is some problem in Delta Exchange. Sometimes it doesn't remove the stop loss of the old trade. Yeah, I think there is some problem here. So you can see here, guys, it has reached, it has taken some jump from here. Okay, so I will also put the stop loss here below this, and was nice to 4 trade from here. So here, what is our target? 57895 and 57218. 57895, 57218, 57195. No, 57890, 895. So this is a very good risk to reward ratio if it is going in my direction. So this is what I do, guys. Generally, I take a trade first, most of the time in the trading view, mock trading or paper trading. If it is going in our direction, I just take a trade properly. So to avoid the coming out of this trade, 218, it is a good place to put the stop loss. 57218, 57218. Okay, let's see how it moves. If it is moving in our direction, that's great. If not, still great. Let's see, guys. So here also I will just put stop loss and target for your reference. So it's going to be a very big trade. Risk reward ratio is showing very high. Yeah, it's high actually, because I have taken the trade here. Let's see. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching so far. I will update you further once it moves in our direction or not. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. As you can see, uh, our trade is progressing properly in our direction. So it's almost midway or more than that. We have $258 of profit here. There is one hurdle in between. So let's see if it takes resistance from there or it cracks it. Let's see. But we'll be in the trade. Will not move our stop loss or take profit anywhere. We will go as planned. So now we have $272 profit, and my account, if we see here, I have $14 of profit in progress. Yeah, so let's see. I will stay tuned, guys. I will update you if it is crossing this or getting back from here. I hope it passes through it. It will be a good trade. But even though it's not passing, I think now we can trail our stop loss. If I am not wrong, we can minimize it to below this. Okay, so we will have only $62 of loss if at all. And here also we will just trail back to 57.3, 57,371, 57,371. So here, okay, 57,357. I will take it. Okay, so as I doubted, it's taking a turn from here, but let's see. Stay tuned, guys. Hi all, welcome back. As you can see, last time when we stopped the video, I think we stopped at around 3 o'clock. So after that, I was away, so I could not record the screen. But you can see here, after 3 o'clock, there was some order block here. So it got rejected here once, and from the bullish order block, from the volumized volumized order block flux chart, it it exactly took the support from here, from this order block, and rapidly went high to hit our target. So our target was somewhere here. So we have received the profit of, oh, it is log out of the paper trading. I can show here. In previous trade we have got a profit of $451 as we had put on target. So if we see here, it was properly filled the price of 56,650, I think, and the stop loss order get cancelled. So 56,650 what was our target in this trade, and we got a profit of $451. Now our account value is more than 5,000. Okay, so this is how we can take a trade, friends. And if you follow the rule, either we have to come out of the trade from small loss, or we have to take for a big profit. So we got $450 and we came out of the trade. So patiently we have to wait and move accordingly. So on my personal account, if I show you here also, I had put the trade in front of you guys. I will just show you here order history. This is the recent order. We had a realized profit of $20.66 and trading fees of 1.09. We have set the target of 57,895, but because of the, like, it may be a high when it crossed our target. This was the candle, so it was a little fast movement, so it hitted after almost 12 points, and we got $20.65 of profit, 20.66, and trading fees of 1.09. So my account value increased to $100 now. So this was the live trade, friends. And if I was there, I would have taken one more trade immediately. Continuation of the trade. If we came out of the trade here, and this is the big order block for 1 minute. So it's a 2.96K value. Volume is still to execute. So we could have taken this trade, and we would have achieved a almost at least 300 points. Even though we would have given the target of this order block, we could have achieved 300 points easily. But that's okay, guys. I just want to show you the methodology what I'm following, and that's very easy. We have to just make these two indicators, and wherever we are on the uptrend, we have to take trade from this support, and if we are on the downtrend, we have to take the short trade from this resistance as a order block, and we have to proceed ahead. So stay tuned, guys. If there is a next trade, next session, I will record for you guys. Thank you. Please like and subscribe the channel, and there is a link below this video where you can install the Delta Exchange India app through my link. If you use that, you will have 15% benefit in trading fees, and I will also be getting some benefit out of it.